Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a vegan cream. Vegan cream, it is very useful in making soups and also in baking dishes. Join me! It is easy to make a vegan soy cream. So all you need are these 5 ingredients: canola oil, honey, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. And of course, don't forget your soya milk. We can do it in just 1 minute. We're going to mix everything in our blender. We're going to put the ingredients one by one to our blender. So we need 1 cup of unsweetened milk. One tablespoon of canola oil. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I put only one teaspoon of canola oil. It should be 1 tablespoon. One teaspoon of apple cider. 1 1/2 teaspoon of honey. I can open. I will use my clothes. Let's blend all the ingredients in just 1 minute. We have now our vegan soy cream. I'm storing it for 6 hours in the fridge. Oh, here is our vegan soy cream.